A lot of people are interested in health and fitness these days, and to that end, they spend a lot of time in the gym or out running in a bid to try and build more muscle and increase their physical fitness. But while this is an admirable aim, it may be an example of us having the wrong priorities. Why? Because these days we don't use our bodies half as much as we use our brains. Our brains are what we use for the majority of careers these days. They're what we use to manage our relationships, and they're what we use to handle money, to navigate, learn, and more. So, if you're going to spend time training your body, it only stands to reason that you should spend at least the same amount of time training your brain. So, why aren't more people already training their brains? Largely, this comes down to the fact that many people don't realize quite the extent to which their brains can be trained, or quite the extent to which their brain function can be improved through simply following